Hi guys, we're from Team Crescent, and this is our product presentation for the NSC 2012 Singapore this year. We're making an application for Android. Here we're using a Keynote 5 with Android 2.3. Our app is called MUG, because it's actually an app that helps you study. So there are two types of targets for this app. One is the teachers, the other is the student. The teacher can use this app to add questions and edit the question database, and the student can extract questions from there and answer those questions. Moreover, this app has a bit of an analysis tool so that the students know where their weaknesses is, and as well as where their strengths are, and he can know where to work on. So I start here with a presentation. First we are going to install this app. So basically you just have an APK file. This is a standard file for Android. Just click on the APK file. The OS will prompt you to install the file. Install. Okay, application installed. So now you just open the file. Okay. Here we are at the main menu. So you can see is we put in quite a bit of work here for the UI. You can see there's a spinning wheel. You can actually spin to choose which frames, which functions you want to go to, and you can toggle between two modes, student and teachers, by pressing the valve there. See? Okay. So there's also quite a few other options I'll show you later. Now let's just start with the student. The student have three options to play. The first one is standard play. Actually he will have to answer a series of questions, a multiple choice question, 4 choices. The second frame the student can actually go to is the start frame, where his performance will be analyzed, and the final one is the option frames, or the preference frame. So this is where he can choose to generate more options of a type, because he is weak at that field. So, okay, so now let's just start with the option here. So in this frame you can see 5 categories, and they stand for 5 subcategories in physics, because for the purpose of this competition, we actually use physics as a base. So you have mechanics, light and sound, electricity, voice properties, and thermodynamics. Let's say I'm a weak student at light and sound. So I want to increase the light and sound bar to the max. Well, I'm also very good at electricity, so I want to just cancel that bar, so there will be no electricity question coming out. And if I made a mistake of dragging, which is can be quite common, so we can reverse back by using the undo button here, or can reverse to the original state by using the default button there. Okay, so back to this. Very weak light and sound, and I'm gonna set it. So you're gonna see a prompt here, so that you have actually set the preferences. Now let's go back. Okay, so after setting all the preferences, we're going to try to play this by clicking play. Okay, so here's the question, and here are 4 answers that you want to choose from. Yeah, I'm just going to choose randomly. If you choose the wrong answer, it will turn red, and the right answer will turn green. If you actually choose the right answer, your score over there will increase. Yeah, see? Okay, so I'm just gonna finish it so that you can see how this scoring gonna work. Okay, yeah. There be no electricity. Okay. Many light and sound question, as you can see. So the process does work. Yeah. Okay, gonna finish this soon. Okay, so here you can see I have 10 points, which is like 2 questions correct. So but I got -5 because I played for too long. So yeah, the longer you play, the more points you will get penalized. So try to finish fast and correct. So that's the whole point of thing. Yeah, so it improves you. It's not just a simple choose the right choice game. So now yeah, let's see after my poor performance, how is my stats gonna change. It's an RPG. Okay, so stat. Yeah, you can see a pentagon here, and each of these points stands for one's categories. This is like the maximum capability that you can actually get to, yeah, which is quite hard to get. And the inner pentagon or whatever it is, so the inner shape represent your performance. So because I failed quite badly, so my performance there is, yeah, the inner one is very small. But if let's say you can answer 30, 40 questions correct, so you actually fill up the whole thing. Okay, and if you press the arrow over there, small one, yeah. So 2 over 60 questions. So yeah, I just answered 2 questions correct over 60 questions. So which is quite bad. Yeah, let's go to another thing. Okay, so that's all for student for now. Let's go to the teachers. Animation. Okay, so teachers, you can try to add question and edit questions. So for adding, just tap add. Okay, so choose the category first. Yeah, 1 of 5. Enter the question, enter it, and enter the answer. So yeah, if you fail to fill in all the fields, you will get an error like this. Okay, so now let's do this. Just to mechanics and okay, I want to fill everything with random letters. Random. Okay, set this to correct. This turn blue. Yep. And finally, you have to save the question. Oh, sorry. Saved. Okay, question added. I'm gonna go out of this and go to edit. Okay, so we're gonna find the questions that we just added to make sure that the thing works fine. So mechanics, DD something, search. Okay, so here it is. Wow, it works. You can see that you can have 2 options: either edit the question or delete the question. So if you edit the question, press here. Okay, so the same menu will pop up and you can make the necessary changes. Okay, I'm not gonna change anything, just go out and delete the ridiculous question. Yes or no? Yep, press yes. Okay, so teachers can actually use this to find all questions in a category by just type in nothing and press search. Okay, so here it is. You can scroll up and down if there are too many questions. Okay, so yep, that's it. Okay, so now go back. That's all for the teachers and student sections. Besides that, there's only just this little question mark button, which is help. You can press this to if you forget how to use a certain part of this ad. So just swipe the screen so you go to another frame. Basically it explains every buttons and what does all this means and how to use these buttons. Okay, got bored, just press close and return to the main menu. Interested to find out more about us, so press this credit. So here's the app name Mark, and we are Team Crescent, and the credit thanks all this guy for helping us or for just any sort of encouragement. So go back to the menu, close the app, see you.